I'm Firecat, and I want to go over some more complicated trace moves. 3-point and 5-point trace flowers and stars. So the difference between flowers and stars is the direction that you're drawing the smaller circles around your limbs versus the direction that you're moving the overarching circle altogether around your body. You can either move them the same direction, which is a flower, or you can move them the opposite direction, which is a star. So to get started, it's all going to begin with where you start drawing your trace. So if you come from your center to do a star, which I find a little bit easier to start with because you come over the top of your leg, you're going to start by tracing around the top of your leg. You're going to come underneath, and now you're going to notice that the whip is crossing in between, in the middle here. So it makes this kind of like petal-like shape. You're going to come up around your head the same direction. It's going to cross again in the middle, around your leg underneath, same direction. It's going to cross in the middle, back around the outside of your leg, same direction, crosses in the middle. Don't switch direction, because then you break the form of the star. To do a flower, you're going to be moving everything in the same direction. So the smaller circles and the overarching circle around your body are same direction. So for a flower, you're actually going to start by coming underneath your leg, around. You're going to notice the whip is going to cross itself on the outside now. Up around your head, this line of the whip is going to be here. Around your head, same direction. Back down, line of the whip here. Around your leg, it's still crossing itself on the outside. Back down, under, and again crossing itself on the outside. And that is a pro spin 3-point trace flower. Now let's kick it up a notch and do a 5-point. This is going to also involve your arms, and it's going to mean that you have to switch hands. So to start with the star, again, it's a little bit easier. I'm going to come from the center, around my leg, cross in the middle, around my arm, my bicep, cross in the middle, around my head, cross in the middle under my neck. This is where I hand off the whip. So then I can come under, same direction of my arm, my bicep, cross in the middle, same direction around the leg, cross, and back around. And that is a 5-point star. So to now do a flower, pro spin, everything moving in the same direction, I'm going to come from under my leg, around, notice the line on the outside, the whip is crossing on the outside, around my head, around my arm, crossing on the outside, line on the outside, leg, same direction, back around, same direction. And again, I switch hands once I'm in the middle, and also once I'm in the middle, back on the bottom. If you want to switch between flower and star, you can simply go to cross in between as if you're doing a leg infinity, and come around the top of the leg now. Now I'm doing a star. And if I want to do a flower, again, infinity into under the leg, and now I'm doing a flower. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.